Hey guys, today we're unboxing the Shakespeare Extra Heavy Duty Ratchet Mount. This is part number 4187-HD. Comes in a little plastic. Here's the mount itself. Allows you to screw on your antenna, run the wire feed out. This allows you to lower it. This allows you to adjust the angle depending on if you're mounting it on the side. You can crank it and move it upward. Any kind of angle allows you to use it. You to slide it down. So if you have it, you can set it up while you're traveling, lower it down, or vice versa. If you're traveling, you can then lower it down to either side. Very heavy duty. Comes with a gasket. Instruction setup. Thank you for purchasing. They do make a standard 4187, and then they make the 4187 HD. Again, this is Shakespeare's unit. It's like a nice setup. Definitely takes some abuse.